20 Staying Poor Habits. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. In today's society, financial stability is something that many people strive for. However, there are certain habits that can keep individuals trapped in a cycle of poverty. These habits, known as the top 20 Stay Poor Habits, can prevent individuals from achieving their financial goals and living a comfortable life. In this blog post, we will unveil these habits and provide insight on how to break free from them. 1. Neglecting a budget. A primary obstacle to financial prosperity is the lack of a budget. This oversight can lead to frivolous spending, burgeoning debt, and financial strain, making it challenging to secure a stable financial footing. Crafting and adhering to a budget is crucial for shedding light on your financial flow, empowering you to make savvy financial choices. This foundational step is key in steering clear of monetary missteps and laying the groundwork for a sound financial future. 2. Ignoring your debts. Turning a blind eye to what you owe can rapidly escalate into a financial quagmire. When you disregard your obligations, the accruing interest and penalties not only inflate your debts, but also mar your credit history, complicating future financial endeavors. Tackling your debts head-on by devising a repayment strategy is crucial. This proactive approach not only helps in mitigating the financial damage, but also sets the stage for reclaiming control over your fiscal health. Taking action towards debt reduction is a pivotal step in reversing the cycle of financial stagnation. 3. Failing to save for emergencies. The absence of an emergency fund exposes one to unforeseen financial dilemmas, compelling reliance on debt to navigate through unexpected events. Establishing this fund is crucial as it acts as a financial cushion, safeguarding against the need to incur further debt during emergencies. Initiating small, manageable contributions towards this fund can gradually build a protective financial barrier, ensuring readiness for life's unpredictable moments and fostering a sense of financial security. 4. Living beyond your means. Embracing a lifestyle that outpaces your income is a detrimental pattern that locks you into a perpetual debt cycle, hindering financial growth. This practice of consistently outspending earnings prevents the accumulation of savings and investments, critical components for wealth creation and financial independence. Prioritizing financial discipline, distinguishing between essential needs and discretionary wants, and curbing extraneous expenditures are vital steps to correct this trajectory. Adopting a more modest lifestyle that aligns with your financial reality can pave the way towards stability and eventually financial prosperity. 5. Not investing. One of the most significant barriers to financial growth is not participating in investments. By sitting on the sidelines, you miss out on the compound growth that can transform modest savings into substantial wealth over time. Whether it's through stock market investments, real estate, or retirement accounts, putting your money to work is essential for building a financial cushion and securing a more prosperous future. Beginning with small, manageable investments can be a strategic way to enter the world of investing without overwhelming risk, gradually paving the path toward financial liberation and stability. 6. Paying bills late. Habitually delaying bill payments is a detrimental practice that exacerbates financial woes through the accumulation of late fees and penalties. This behavior negatively influences your credit rating, making future financial endeavors more challenging and expensive. Establishing a routine of settling bills promptly is imperative to circumvent these unnecessary costs and protect your credit health. Implementing strategies such as setting up automatic payments or reminders can assist in ensuring that payments are made on time, thereby maintaining financial stability and avoiding the pitfalls associated with this poor habit. 7. Regularly using high-interest credit. Relying frequently on high-interest credit options like credit cards and payday loans is a habit that ensnares you in a persistent debt cycle. This kind of borrowing, with its steep interest rates, can rapidly amplify the amount you owe, making it increasingly difficult to break free from debt. To improve your financial health, it's essential to minimize reliance on these costly credit sources. Focus on paying down high-interest debts as a priority and explore more affordable borrowing alternatives to manage your finances more effectively. 8. Not tracking spending. A common pitfall that hinders financial progress is the failure to monitor expenditures. Without a clear understanding of where your money goes each month, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending, which can quickly erode your financial health. Keeping a detailed record of purchases helps in identifying unnecessary expenses in areas where you can cut back. Embracing the habit of monitoring your spending can lead to more informed financial decisions, enabling you to allocate resources more effectively towards achieving your financial objectives. 9. Impulse buying. Impulse buying significantly hampers financial growth, as it leads to unnecessary and often expensive purchases made without foresight. This habit depletes savings and increases debt, obstructing the path to financial freedom. By resisting the urge for immediate gratification and instead focusing on long-term financial goals, one can avoid the pitfalls of impulse spending. Developing a habit of thoughtful consideration before making purchases can reveal the difference between wants and needs, aiding in better financial decision-making and ensuring that each expense contributes positively to one's financial health. 10. Not shopping around. Failing to explore options for better prices and deals can easily lead to overspending on day-to-day purchases and larger investments alike. This oversight hampers financial health by preventing the conservation of resources that could be allocated towards savings or debt reduction. By actively comparing prices, seeking out bargains, and leveraging coupons and discounts, significant savings can be realized over time. Embracing a proactive approach to shopping not only nurtures wise spending habits, but also contributes to a more secure financial foundation by ensuring that every dollar is stretched to its maximum potential. 11. Ignoring insurance. Overlooking the importance of insurance is a perilous financial habit that exposes you to significant economic risk. In the absence of proper coverage, unexpected incidents such as medical emergencies, property damage, or legal issues could swiftly deplete your savings or force you into debt. It's vital to assess your needs and ensure adequate protection against these potential financial catastrophes. Whether it's health, home, auto, or life insurance, securing the right policies acts as a safeguard, providing peace of mind and fortifying your financial well-being against the unforeseen. 12. Not planning for the future. Neglecting to envision and prepare for your financial future can significantly impede wealth accumulation and financial security. Without setting clear, actionable objectives for retirement, investments, and other long-term financial goals, it's easy to veer off course. The absence of a future-focused financial strategy leaves one vulnerable to short-term temptations that undermine long-term prosperity. Proactively engaging in forward planning, including retirement savings and investment opportunities, is essential for navigating towards a financially stable and successful future. Establishing a comprehensive plan that outlines your financial journey encourages discipline and focus, helping to secure a more comfortable and secure financial future. 13. Not learning about finance. Ignorance about financial management is a significant barrier to economic advancement. Without understanding the basics of budgeting, investing, and saving, individuals may find themselves making decisions that jeopardize their financial stability. Engaging in financial education is essential. Resources are plentiful and often free, ranging from online courses to community seminars. Additionally, consulting with financial advisors can provide personalized strategies to navigate complex financial landscapes. Embracing a culture of continuous learning and applying financial knowledge to daily life can transform one's financial outlook. This proactive approach empowers individuals to avoid common financial pitfalls and make informed decisions that bolster their financial health. 14. Keeping bad company. The influence of our social circle on our financial habits cannot be underestimated. When the majority of your friends or acquaintances indulge in reckless spending or demonstrate a lack of financial planning, it's likely you may start mirroring these behaviors. It's crucial to evaluate the financial habits of those you frequently interact with. Look for individuals who exhibit financial prudence and discipline. By aligning yourself with people who prioritize saving over spending and understand the value of financial investments, you'll find yourself adopting a more thoughtful approach to managing your finances. This doesn't mean cutting ties with friends over money matters, but rather consciously spending time with those who inspire you to make smarter financial decisions. Cultivating a network of financially savvy peers can serve as a motivator and guide on your journey to financial stability and success. 15. Making excuses. Making excuses has become a barrier for many in achieving financial prosperity. Often, individuals justify their lack of savings or investments with reasons rooted in their current financial situation without recognizing the power of a mindset shift. By continually saying it's too hard to save or investing isn't for someone like me, you are essentially setting yourself up for failure. Instead, challenge yourself to find solutions. For instance, exploring creative ways to reduce expenses or increase your income can open up new possibilities for saving and investing. Recognizing that these excuses only serve to reinforce a cycle of financial stagnation is the first step toward breaking free and embracing actions that lead to financial growth and stability. It's about transforming "I can't" into "how can I?", thereby paving the way for meaningful changes in your financial journey. 16. Avoiding financial risk entirely. Shunning all financial risk may seem like a prudent strategy, but this cautious approach often limits your potential for financial growth. While it's wise to avoid reckless investments, eschewing all forms of financial risk can result in missed opportunities. The key is to find a balance between caution and calculated risk-taking. Educating yourself about different types of investments and understanding your own risk tolerance are critical steps in this process. Starting with smaller, more manageable investments can also ease the transition into more significant opportunities. Engaging in discussions with financial advisors or joining investment communities can provide insights and confidence to navigate these decisions more effectively. By opening up to strategic risk-taking, you position yourself to potentially enhance your financial status beyond what ultra-conservative strategies offer. 17. Focusing on short-term pleasures. Prioritizing instant gratification can lead to habitual overspending on non-essential items, leaving little to no room for savings or investments. This behavior often stems from a desire for immediate satisfaction, overshadowing the long-term benefits of financial discipline. To counteract this, set aside funds for enjoyment while ensuring it doesn't compromise your ability to save or invest. Recognize the value in delayed gratification and how it plays a crucial role in achieving financial stability. By shifting focus towards long-term financial health, you cultivate a mindset that balances enjoyment today with prosperity tomorrow. 18. Not maximizing your income. One of the pivotal stay poor habits is not taking steps to maximize your income. Many individuals settle into the comfort of their current earnings, overlooking the potential to increase their financial intake. This stagnation not only hinders wealth accumulation, but also limits opportunities for financial advancement. Seeking out raises, pursuing higher-paying positions, or acquiring new skills can lead to significant income boosts. Additionally, side hustles or part-time jobs can supplement your primary income, providing extra funds for savings, investments, or paying off debt. It's also worth exploring passive income streams, such as dividends from stocks or rental income from property, which can grow your wealth without demanding much of your time. 19. Failing to adapt to change. In today's rapidly evolving economy, flexibility and adaptability are key to financial resilience and growth. Failing to adapt to change, whether it be in the job market, technological advancements, or shifts in the economy, can significantly impede your ability to thrive financially. Those who cling to outdated methods or resist learning new skills often find themselves left behind, unable to seize new opportunities that could enhance their financial situation. It's essential to stay informed about trends in your industry, invest in continuous learning, and be open to adjusting your financial strategies as circumstances change. 20. Giving up too easily. The journey to financial prosperity is often met with challenges and obstacles that can make it tempting to throw in the towel prematurely. When immediate results aren't visible, it's common to question the efficacy of your strategies or the feasibility of your goals. This defeatist attitude is a crucial habit that keeps many from achieving their financial aspirations. Overcoming this mindset requires resilience and a commitment to persevere despite setbacks. Cultivating patience and persistence is essential, as these qualities are the bedrock upon which long-term financial stability is built. Time for the soft question. In a land of plenty, why are the vast majority of people poor? What seems to be the problem here, and what's wrong with this picture? Give us your thoughts. Please share your experiences in the comment section below. This will help everyone learn and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please support us. Hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.